Well, now that you've learned the Clydesdale, let's talk about the grunge. The grunge is where rock and roll meets runway. Nikki, let's see it. What Nikki's doing, which is awesome, is she's got a lot of attitude. The Clydesdale is about forward motion. The grunge is about left to right movement, shifting of your weight from left to right really slightly to affect, the effect is sort of like a I don't care, watch me now motion, which we love for like jeans and really big attitude shows. One more time. She's got a little more arm swing, she's got a little more bounce in her walk, but definitely the motion on the runway is hip to hip. Very, very important. That's where the action is. And again, this is used with really funky stuff. It's a lot of fun to do when there's a lot of great rock and roll music behind you, some techno music, and really casual, fun, high energy outfits. One more time, the grunge.